Near Protocol broke finally out of this massive supply zone. But will we see even higher prices in the near future? Or is it just a fake out and did we see a move back to the downside again? In this video I will talk about Near and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates on coins like Bitcoin, Near and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So first of all, Near Protocol is right now on place 16 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $8.6 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the last all-time high back in 2022. And after we built this all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. And after this longer accumulation phase, we then finally broke out of this supply zone to the upside. And this weekly supply zone was technically strong because from this high, we saw this move to the downside, we made a lower low. And then we broke to the upside and had the first bullish order flow signal on the weekly time frame. And on the daily time frame, you can see that from this demand zone right here, we saw this push to the upside. We broke this last weekly supply zone right here. And then from this new high, we saw this push back into this zone in this demand zone right here. We retested it with this wick. And after this demand zone retest, we saw this move to the upside again. We came back into this supply zone. We then consolidated in the supply zone, couldn't break through it. And now we got the first close with this bullish daily candle out of this supply zone right here. And this is a very bullish sign. And now the chance is high that we could see even higher prices. And if we're also breaking this last high right here to the upside at nearly $9, if we break through it and find bullish acceptance, then the chance is high that we could see the bullish explosion for Near Protocol. And then the next bullish interesting price target is this high right here at $13.19. And from the price right now to this next potential price target, we would have potential over 65%. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on Near. I think it's a great project with a very high potential and it's an AI coin. Some people think it's not an AI coin, some people think it's an AI coin, but I definitely see a bright future for Near Protocol. And as I said, if we are now breaking through this last high, then the chance is extremely high that we are seeing the bullish explosion on this short term. And if you want to copy all my short-term trades, then join my Signal group. I'm sharing here all of my leverage trades in real time and all of my crypto spot buy alerts. And I also show you a perfect risk management and how to grow a small trading account. It's the second link in the description. But again, for the short term, it's now very important that we are seeing higher prices. And of course, it's now very important how Bitcoin is reacting at the markets. Because yesterday we saw this massive pump into the supply zone. And I think this supply zone will decide if we are seeing higher prices or if we are seeing lower price again. Because this supply zone was the start of this bearish trend. We already saw here rejection multiple times. And of course the chance is there that we could see a retracement back into the levels of $62,000 to $63,000. And of course we could see a move back into this zone and then continue the bullish trend and see even higher prices. But if we are seeing a bullish move out of the zone and close over this last highs right here, then the chance is extremely high that we can start the real bull run and see even higher prices. And then of course the chance is really high that we are seeing higher prices at Near. But if we are seeing lower prices at Bitcoin, the chance is also high that we could see lower prices at Near. But again, this bullish close out of this supply zone is the first really bullish sign for Near Protocol. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.